Hi, I'm Matt with Jon Wayne Service Company. Today we're installing a new comfort system for our customers here in New Braunfels. Let's check it out. So the main problem that we had in this house is that the system was actually undersized. So it's actually not a problem that we see very often in homes, but the system was struggling to maintain temperature in the house because of it being undersized. So we made sure to install the properly sized system for this homeowner, and it should really help the efficiency of this house. So this job entails removing the entire old system, inside and outside. And then replacing the air handler. Replacing the outdoor unit. We're also installing improved filtration. We also are clearing the drain out for the system to make sure it performs normally. We're replacing electrical disconnects and breakers for the unit. We're also installing a smart thermostat on the system as well. This is a smaller job. As you can see, the unit's in a closet. The outside unit's right here next to the driveway. It makes it easy. So this job should probably take about 6 hours for the entire install. Again, my name is Matt with Jon Wayne Service Company, and if you think you can benefit from our services, or if you've been thinking about replacing a comfort system in your home, please give us a call or visit jonwayne.com.